Are you tired of leaning over to clean around toilets and urinals? I have your solution. The machine right here. How would you like to win this Motorscrubber jet valued at $1,300 for your facility? We are giving away a Motorscrubber jet at the Cleaning Festival and Rockstar Talks. You must register at the website below for your chance to win. Eric Liebert here. Motorscrubber manufactures commercial cleaning machines to fit all your needs, from bathrooms to stairs to trains and planes. Receive a tile and grout brush free, valued at $80 with every unit purchased at the show. We'll be at the Cleaning Festival Rockstar Talks running February through April. Come see me and the Motorscrubber jet that could be yours. Don't wait. Register at the website below now.